Welcome to a toy a day. It's me, Nicola Pickle. We got this strange cat exclusive. It's the Onigiri Hell's Cat. Boom. Look at that coloration. Already undid the staples. Let's take a look in here. I always like looking at this macaroni. Let's take a look at this boy. Look at that. It's that green see-through with a white head, white fingertips, one ear. I don't know what's up with that. Ooh, that looks like that's probably going to shine in the black light. What's up with that one ear? You tell me. It's called Melon Soda. That's the color variant. You know, I got the black see-through, the solid black. Now I got that Melon Soda. Look at his little nose right there. You know, as far as Hell's Cat goes, I wouldn't mind having one of these as a pet. Probably has even better balance with his two tails. He'll probably protect your house better than, like, you know, a dog or something. Maybe he wouldn't. Maybe it'd just be a normal cat that does its own thing and just probably just would scare people. No one would want to come over. Very nice coloration though. I like the color green. I like the way his head is solid white. Melon Soda. Makes me want one. I want a melon soda. I want it to be green, and I want to pour it into a cup and have the little foam bubbles be all white at the top. I don't know where I get one. I ain't going to Japan just to get a melon soda. I'll tell you that much. Yeah, look at him there. Yeah. I do like these a lot. I got another one coming in the mail. Been sitting on this one for a while. And, yeah. Let's hit it with the black light. I got high hopes for its little mouth back here. And right here. Ooh, I also got a new light coming in the mail today. So, we'll see how that works out tomorrow. Tomorrow's episode will be with a brand new light. I'm not going to give you any spoilers or anything, but I got some good stuff coming up. We got the July blind box bundle. We still got the new toy showcase. I got so many toys right now that I need to showcase. Start getting some more blind boxes. Whoa. Whoa. Look at that thing. Even more than I expected. Yeah. Little claw fingertips. Its eyeballs. Jeez Louise. This is, you know, I like the solid black, but it doesn't glow under the black light at all. This one certainly does. Nice. Alright, that's gonna do it. And remember, a toy a day keeps radioactive man away. We'll see you tomorrow.